This is Scott from KIG. It is June 20th, 2017. We're going to do a runoff today on this approximately 4-ton 2016 surplus, never used Riedel air-cooled chiller. It's going to be on its way to a customer in Oregon. Model PC 63.02, year 2016. It's a 460 volt unit, R134A refrigerant. Model 2KP00633-0299931. Last four digits of the serial number there is 0004. I got the side covers off just to talk a little bit. Eventually the side covers need to be on to have proper airflow through the top of the condenser coil there. These units have a couple options which won't be needed for this customer's particular application. This control here is a heater. It actually has heating option, but we just keep that at the lowest set point down around 1 degree C, so that heater is not going to come on for this application. When you first start up the unit and bring your 460 volt power in, the bottom little bushing there is where you want to bring the power in, up into your control cabinet here. And to check the phase, you have your nice Grundfos pump there. The Grundfos pumps rotate counterclockwise when looking from behind, unlike most US pumps. So for that reason, to check phase, once you first get power to the unit, this panel here that has 4 screws on it, you can undo those 4 screws and lift it back just enough. You got enough clearance here over your fittings, so you can take a peek in there at that pump. And what you want to do is, with the help of somebody with a flashlight looking in there at the rear of the pump, just want to bump it for a bit like that. Okay. Before I put the side cover on for the test, we have our insulated tank. That's the heater right there, which you really don't need to use. This does have a deionized water circuit for its prior intended application. That's disconnected electronically inside because you don't need that for this. We have a nice 4 horsepower Danfoss compressor. It has heater bands on it, crankcase heaters to keep the refrigerant above being in a too cold of a state. I have your little sight glass there to inspect it while it's running if needed. It does have a hot gas bypass solenoid for load control. This here is kind of a flow inhibitor, flow restrictor, if needed. And then right in there you can see a little orange knob. That's kind of the internal bypass circuit if you need to play around with that. I don't think you're going to need to really touch much for your application at all. I'm going to put the covers on and start chilling video number 2 here in a second.